Here are some sewing tricks lost for 500 years. Once you master them, you won't need a tailor anymore. 1. If your hoodie sleeves are too long, you don't need to cut them. This sewing technique is very practical. Just shorten the sleeves as much as needed and then tighten the thread. 2. Cut off unused socks and sew them into your sweater with this invisible stitch. This can make the sleeves longer, and you can continue to wear it for another 2 to 3 years. 3. If the trousers are too long, you don't need to cut them. Learn this universal sewing method, sew a circle, and if you grow taller, you can unpick it and continue to wear it. This is an invisible way to shorten your trouser legs. For if your jeans have a loose thread, pull the thread from both sides at the loose spot like in the video, and gently pull the thread to sew it. Sew the original thread back just like it was, and it'll look as good as new. 5. If your waist is too big, learn this seamless sewing trick. Sew down and up repeatedly, and with the final pull, your waist is resized. 6. If your leggings come undone, start from the bottom, pull the thread, then cross both sides, wind the thread, and repeat this action. Your leggings will be mended. Simple and practical. Save these tips and take your time to learn them.